Do you truly know the power of NoFap? Most don't. Most men wake up and waste their potential, starting the day by giving in, or end their nights in shame, thinking it's just one more time. I see you, brother. I see your struggle, your fight, and I know how easy it is to feel stuck in this cycle. But hear me when I say this, you are not alone. See, there are some who will tell you NoFap is pointless. They'll try to convince you it's fine, even healthy, to indulge. They'll repeat false claims about stress relief or health benefits, just to justify staying in their comfort zone. But deep down, you know the truth, don't you? That nothing about this addiction is helping you. That each time you give in, you lose a little more of yourself. Stop searching for reasons to indulge in it and start recognizing the price you're paying. I know it's not easy. I understand the pull. The way it whispers promises of relief, comfort, escape. And I know the guilt that creeps in right after. The way you look at yourself in the mirror and wonder, why can't I stop? But I'm here to tell you, you can stop. And when you do, you won't just break free from this filthy habit. You'll unlock a version of yourself you may have forgotten even existed. We'll explore 5 undeniable benefits of NoFap that can transform your life. These truths are too powerful to ignore. Number 1. Becoming your true self. NoFap doesn't give you superpowers. It simply returns you to who you truly are. That confident, energized, focused version of yourself that existed before addiction took hold. I've been there, and I know you felt it too. That spark of life that made you feel unstoppable. NoFap isn't magic. It's you, the real you finally coming alive again. Remember, every man is born with energy, creativity, and passion coursing through him. But along the way, life throws distractions and traps at us, and we lose sight of that. NoFap isn't about becoming someone new. It's about reclaiming what's already yours. If you want to reach your goals, fulfill your dreams, and unlock your potential, you cannot afford to be a prisoner of your addictions. Number 2. Enhanced focus and clarity. When you're stuck in the cycle, your mind is clouded. Your focus wavers, and you feel like you're constantly climbing uphill. I felt that fog, that sense of being disconnected from reality and your own purpose. When you abstain, your mind sharpens. Why? Because fapping disrupts your brain's balance, sending your dopamine levels into chaos, soaring one moment, crashing the next. This instability clouds your judgment and weakens your focus. But on NoFap, that fog clears. NoFap rewires your brain, repairing your dopamine pathways and restoring your natural state. Some argue otherwise, claiming post-nut clarity improves their thinking. But that clarity is an illusion, a brief escape from the fog of lust, not a state of true mental sharpness. To achieve genuine clarity, you shouldn't beat your meat at all. Channel your energy into discipline. Yes, you'll face temptations, and yes, they'll feel overwhelming at first. But each time you resist, you build strength, you gain focus. You begin to see clearly again your goals, your path, your power. And when that lustful urge rises, let me remind you, it's energy. Use it, redirect it, go for a run, dive into your work, push yourself harder in the gym. Prove to yourself that you're in control, not your urges. Number 3. Reclaiming your life energy. Brother, do you know what you're giving away when you give in? As a man, your seed holds immense creative power, the potential to bring life into existence. Yet, most squander this gift, draining themselves of vitality. Every time you agree to beat your meat, you deplete your reserves, leaving you tired, sluggish, and unmotivated. Your seed is not just some throwaway thing. It's life energy. It's your vitality, your drive, your essence. Every time you let it go to waste, you're spilling your potential, your strength, your willpower on nothing. But when you hold on to it, something incredible happens. You feel alive, strong, grounded. You walk taller. Your presence commands respect. Why? because that energy stays inside you, fueling every part of who you are. Think about it. You have the power to create life with that seed. When you release your seed into a woman, it turns into a living human being. Do you realize how powerful this is? And yet, 99% of men waste it multiple times per day. They spill their seed on their bedsheets without realizing how sacred it is. Stop wasting it. Protect it. Use it to build yourself into the man you've always wanted to be. Number 4. Growing spiritually. NoFap isn't just physical. It's spiritual. It's about shedding what's holding you back and stepping into a more disciplined, awakened version of yourself. I know some of you might feel disconnected, like you're searching for something but don't know what it is. Right there, we see NoFap. It brings you back to a natural, grounded state, free from the chains of addiction. And let me tell you this, true discipline isn't just about controlling your actions. It's about mastering your mind and your spirit. And as you grow in this journey, you'll find a deeper connection to who you really are and what you're meant to do. Number 5. The discipline to succeed. Even if you question all the other benefits of NoFap, here's one thing you can't deny. It makes you stronger. The man who controls his impulses is stronger than the man who gives in to them. Discipline alone makes it worthwhile. Mastering yourself is the first step to mastering your life. Discipline builds character, resilience, and purpose. A man who can control his desires, who can resist temptation, is a man who can conquer anything. Every time you say no to that fleeting urge, you're saying yes to your future, to your dreams, to the version of you who doesn't settle, who doesn't quit, who doesn't let momentary pleasure rob him of greatness. I know this isn't easy. I know the fight can feel impossible. But listen to me, you're stronger than you think. You're capable of so much more than you realize. And I'm here to remind you, you don't have to fight this battle alone. Every step you take away from addiction is a step closer to freedom. Every day you choose discipline, you're building a life filled with purpose, strength, and pride. I believe in you, and if you ever stumble, remember this. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. The path of NoFap is not easy, but it is transformative. You're not just abstaining, you're choosing to rise above mediocrity. So stand tall, my brother. Fight for your future. Fight for your dreams. Because I promise you this, the man you'll become on the other side of this battle, worth every struggle, every challenge, every single moment of doubt. You've got this, and I've got your back. Let's win this together.